doing a restock with me video for, I think, tomorrow's restock. So yeah, by the way, the clips are very, like, mixed around because honestly, like, this was going to be like 3 videos, like 2 for Vlogmas and 1 for like this video, but like you guys know Vlogmas was kind of a flop, so I never posted those, but they're right here in this video. So yeah, these are some of the slimes I'll be having, not all of them, but this one is called Frozen Sour Sprite version 4. This one, I'm gonna have to like change it a little bit because it has like add-ins, but this one is Lychee Frost. This one is Frozen Sour Sprite version 3. And then this one is called Unicorn Weave. And then these are some of the 2-ounce slimes I'll be having. So these will be $1 for a random one, and then $2 for either this one or this one. And then this one is called Peppermint Bark, I think, and I'll show you this once I get the top off. So this is Peppermint Bark. It has this little peppermint charm, and then these peppermint sprinkles, and then it has all these foam beads, and then it also has 2 jumbo foam beads. I don't know if you can see it very well, but yeah. And that's just only some of the slimes I'll have in the restock. Keep watching for more. So see how like one side is has kind of more of the orange? I want the orange to sink to the bottom, so I'm basically gonna put it in the container and I'll show you when I did that. Okay, so this is how it looks. So freaking pretty. So there's the glitter, and then it looks like that. And what I'm thinking, y'all, is probably gonna have, like, when I package it, it's already gonna swirl a little bit while shipping. It'll kind of mix a bit. So what I'm gonna do is just not swirl it before shipping, or just swirl it a little bit, because I don't really want it to like fully mix. So I just made the slime, and I don't know why my hands show up so red, but whatever. So much of this chunky glitter, it's so pretty. Got it at Target. And this color though, oh my gosh. It still has to like get all glossy and thick, but it's so nice. And the color is gonna get better too. And then this will be a DIY clay slime. So I'm about to make the Floam version of Frozen Sour Sprite. So this is version 3. Version 1 sold out so fast at my last event. And I ran out of the Snow Fizz stuff. I love the outcome. This one is going to fly. You're gonna love this one. So go snatch when it goes onto my shop. Okay, you can tell that I'm really into clear glue and snow slimes right now, because I'll be turning this jelly slime into a cloud slime. Whoa. So, why is there? Anyway, I'm going to be packing the slime and the cloud slime underneath that I showed you all before into containers, and yeah, let's go. Okay, so I only have enough of this right now for two. Because I really just want to make sure that you guys will buy this. This is called Frozen Sour Sprite version. What version are we on? Version 4. Wow. So I actually got 2 slimes done. You already saw this one, V4 of Frozen Sour Sprite. And then this one, I'm gonna call it something, I don't know yet. So in between these slime clips, I took a small little trip to a Secret Santa for Elders program in Cambridge, which is a town north of Boston. I live in Boston, so it was like 20 minutes away. But yeah. You guys are gonna love the IGTV video that I just filmed. It was the making of this slime, and it'll probably be up by now, if not very soon. But yeah, if you're here on YouTube and you somehow don't follow my Instagram, definitely go follow it at The Wild Slime Store. Anyway, yeah. So this is, I think I'm gonna call it Lychee Frost. And I'm just adding some of these cute little shiny things on top of each of them. And then I'll like spread them around a little. But yeah. This is like a cloud Icee hybrid, and it's got a really unique texture. So definitely check out the Restock video when it's up to see the like real clip of it. Cause it's so pretty, and the texture is just so weird but like cool. So you'll see. So here's just me checking in again, and I just want to say thank you for watching, and definitely go snatch these slimes. My Etsy shop is in the description. So yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.